Hi everybody, I'm Zach, instructor over at UEI College Reseda for the ET program. I give a shout out to Klein Helmets, Milwaukee Gloves, and Uline Eyewear. Right here what we have is a time relay working off two timers, T1 and T2. T1 is going to be telling me that my motor is cold with my red lights, meaning it's dead. T2 is going to be working with my two LED indicator lights, knowing that my motor is operational. What I'm working off is off the service panel here with a 20 amp circuit, providing power to everything. What I do have is an emergency disconnect, my mushroom button, and so right now, even though my circuit is on, my emergency shutoff is initiated. So what happens is that it's a normally open contact unless I turn the switch, then it becomes normally closed. Therefore, it's thus, sorry, let me repeat that. It's a normally closed circuit, but then when I initiate this switch, it becomes a normally open circuit, okay? Because therefore, it's killing the power. So without further ado, I'm going to twist the knob. So my engines are cold because both my red lights are on, right? Meaning it's dead. Now I initiated, both of my motors are spinning in the designated clockwise or counterclockwise based off the nameplate and the wiring. Okay, as you can see, a beautiful setup here by my great students here. It's really class act here, boys. Good thing to look at. Nice clean wire management all the way through. The boxes that are nice and sealed, and we use some Colorado gyms to make things centered. Once again, I'm Zach. Please like and subscribe and follow on IG, YouTube, and Facebook. Once again, be safe out there and have fun.